Good afternoon, everybody. Fayman Steve here once again. It is Wednesday, December the 27th, 2023. This is a GoPro chest strap camera holder. I made a video of this just yesterday showing off my Christmas gifts, and I figured that this would be the first one to start out with, since this is what I will be recording more of my material with in the future here on out. This is pretty much what it came in. It came in with the bag here, and it's got the manual on how to put it together. If I'm not mistaken, I think this was ordered off of eBay. I didn't even think to ask where they got it. But it was made by WL Prio. I guess that's what it says. So now we're going to go ahead and pick it out of the pack here. Hopefully you can see all of this. Okay. Okay, so here is the instruction manual here. So this is how it's going to be put together. Adjust the head strap. Mount the phone holder to the head strap. Adjust the angle of your phone as needed. Okay, so I'll just show this to you, and then I'll just assemble it as I look at the manual. Okay. Okay, so I do believe this is the head strap right here. Okay, so it says to adjust the head strap, so I guess I'm just going to do it like this. I'm just going to loosen it up. Mount the phone holder to the head strap. Okay. Okay, so this is I do believe this is the phone holder right here. So Okay, so there's two of these. There's two of these nuts right here, these bolts. Okay, so I think I've got this all sorted out here. So this is going to mount onto this. And then this is going to slide in like this. I want to make sure that I get it in perfect alignment to where that's going to slide through. Okay. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, so this is the head strap. So I guess you just adjust this, and you just slide it over your head if you're gonna if you're gonna mount the phone over your head. This is the chest strap. Okay, so yep, this was the instructions for the head mount. Now for the chest mount. Release the buckle and wear the chest strap. Adjust the belt of shoulder. Adjust belt of waist. And 5 through 7 basically tells you, just how if you're gonna wear it over your chest. Okay. What these are. Okay, so this is going to slide into this, and it's going to buckle to where it holds it in place. Okay, just like that. And okay, let's go ahead and take the all right. Okay, so since I'm probably going to be using the chest strap a little more often, I'm just going to, I figured out how this all works. You basically just take this is the adjustment, and it slides over this, and this is the bolt that holds it into place. And I'm just going to take the phone adjustment here, and get that adjusted. We're just going to screw that on. Okay, great. I think that'll work nicely. There's the adjustment for the phone or for the camera. See if I can get this aligned here. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, great. So I'm just gonna try this on now. I'm gonna see how it works. Okay, so I've got the chest strap on right now.